Imagine this, just 10 minutes a day, and you could speak English confidently, clearly, with the natural rhythm of an American speaker. No boring textbooks, no endless grammar drills, just pure, powerful practice that blends smoothly into your life. If you've ever felt nervous, stuck for words, or afraid of making mistakes, stay with me. Because in this session, I'll show you how to transform your English in only 10 minutes a day. Welcome. This is your step-by-step guide. Together, we will build 3 pillars: confidence, daily practice, and real-life speaking power. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who dreams of fluent English, this system is designed for you. The best part? You don't need hours of study. You don't need heavy grammar books. What you need is focus, consistency, and these few minutes. By the end of this journey, you'll see exactly how to practice American English speaking naturally, fearlessly, and confidently. Confidence. Let's start here. Confidence is not about knowing thousands of words. It's about using the words you already know without hesitation. Too many learners wait. They wait for the perfect vocabulary. They wait for flawless grammar. They wait for the day they feel ready. But that day never comes. Confidence does not wait. Confidence is built by speaking first, by daring first, by practicing first, and improving along the way. So how do you build this confidence in just 10 minutes a day? Step 1. Shadowing practice. Find a short clip of a Native American speaker, maybe a podcast, a movie scene, a speech, or a YouTube video. Play it. Listen carefully, then repeat it out loud, word by word. Copy the rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the melody. It's like singing along with music. At first you'll struggle, but slowly your mouth and ears will learn to move together. Step 2. Self-talk practice. You don't need a partner. You don't need a teacher. You already have the best practice partner, yourself. Choose one daily activity: making coffee, walking to work, preparing breakfast. And for 2 minutes, describe it in English, out loud. Say, I am opening the fridge. I am pouring milk. I am washing the spoon. It feels simple, but this is fluency. Fluency is not magic. It's turning small thoughts into quick words. Step 3. Positive mindset. Confidence is not only skill, it is belief. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Smile. Say, I can speak English confidently. Every day I am improving. I don't need perfection. I need progress. This may feel strange, but it's powerful. The voice you hear the most is your own. And when your own voice tells you that you are improving, your brain starts to believe it. Now let's talk about American English speaking practice. Accent, pronunciation, rhythm. Many learners worry, do I sound different? Do I sound strange? Let me tell you this. You don't need to sound 100% American. You don't need to erase your identity. What you need is clarity. And clarity is enough to be understood anywhere. Here's the first technique: chunk learning. Don't just learn single words. Learn living phrases. For example, don't just learn busy. Learn, I'm a bit busy right now. Don't just learn maybe. Learn, maybe we could try that tomorrow. Don't just learn thanks. Learn, thanks, I really appreciate it. When you learn chunks, you don't need to build sentences from zero. You already have ready-made patterns that flow out naturally. The second technique: question and answer practice. Spend 3 minutes asking yourself everyday questions. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What did you eat yesterday? I ate rice and chicken. Where are you going tomorrow? Tomorrow, I'm visiting my friend. This prepares you for conversations in real life. It makes your brain quick. It teaches you to answer without thinking too long. The third technique, intonation and stress. American English is music. It rises, it falls, it has rhythm. For example, take this sentence. I didn't say he stole the money. Depending on which word you stress, the meaning changes completely. Try it. I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. I didn't say he stole the money. This is not just grammar. This is expression. And when you master intonation, people not only understand you better, they feel your emotions. But here's the big secret. You don't need hours. You only need 10 minutes a day. Yes, 10 minutes. That's all. But those 10 minutes must be powerful, focused, consistent. Let me give you a daily routine you can follow. Minute 1, warm up. Say tongue twisters. Practice vowel sounds. Loosen your tongue. Prepare your mouth like an athlete prepares muscles. Minutes 2 to 4, shadowing. Listen to a short clip. Repeat it exactly. Train your ears and your mouth. Minutes 5 to 7, self-talk or question and answer. Keep your brain alive. Keep it active. Minutes 8 to 9, record yourself. Play it back. Notice your voice. Notice your progress. Minute 10, motivation. Look in the mirror. Say it with strength. I speak English confidently every single day. I am improving. That's it. 10 minutes. That's your daily investment. Do it today. Do it tomorrow. Do it every day. And within weeks, you'll notice the difference. Not perfection, not overnight fluency, but clear, powerful progress. Now let's add something more. Sample dialogues for your practice. Dialogue 1, ordering food. Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Sure, what size would you like? Medium, please. Anything else? No, that's it, thank you. Dialogue 2, introducing yourself. Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. How about you? I'm from the United States. Dialogue 3, asking for directions. Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is? Yes, it's just down the street on the right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. These dialogues may look simple, but simple is powerful. Simple is practical. Simple is confidence. Now, motivation. Remember, English is not just grammar. It's not just vocabulary. It's a bridge to new opportunities, better jobs, more friends, travel, connection. Every time you practice, even for 10 minutes, you're building that bridge. Every word you speak is a brick. Every sentence is a step. Every mistake is a lesson. And slowly, step by step, you're walking across that bridge. On the other side is the life you want, the confidence you dream of, the conversations you deserve. So don't give up. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't say, one day I'll speak confidently. Say, today I begin. Today I practice. Today I grow. Because confidence is not waiting. Confidence is not someday. Confidence is now. And now, it's time for action. If this practice inspired you, if it gave you new ideas, if it showed you a path forward, then take the next step. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell so you never miss your daily boost of motivation, and share this with a friend who also dreams of speaking English fluently. Together, we rise. Together, we grow. Speak English confidently. Practice every day, and watch your world open wide. I'll see you in the next lesson.